Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh, he's huge. Shamika said I have potential. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Alright, so me, Zaire, and Miles, the daring, are gonna be. Alright. We're gonna be sneaking into a private golf course. It's not illegal. Totally not illegal. This is 100% legal, right, Miles?
Oh, mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, let's get there. We're on the way to the pond and we're gonna see if there's any big bass in here.
I'm actually taking over your vlog, guys. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna fish the fish out of this tiny.
He's never been fishing.
Yes, I have. You literally took me fishing, and oh, did you shake your head?
Yeah, we're almost here now, and no one has fished this thing. This is a private golf course pond.
What is that?
It's gonna be pretty crazy. It is hot, super hot.
We have a heat warning today.
Yeah, heat warning today.
I don't know why I brought my phone here,
Yeah, hopefully I don't jump into the water. Yeah, anyways. Oh, this looks awesome. All right, we made it, and this pond stinks. But I see a lot of bluegill, so that's a good sign too. I think that's a bass right there. Oh yeah, there's fish here. Now let's get started. Promise I'm not tripping. All right, though. I got some for them. I got some for that. All right, first fish of the day. I had another one, but my frog somehow came off. Now that fish, he untied.
Right.
You know, my knot was a very good knot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the fish untied the knot. Yeah,
Right.
that's what happened.
Right.
Yeah, first fish. There we
Let's
go.
get into that.
He's a bit fat, but that's good. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Let's get this hook out.
Oh.
Hey, buddy. All right. Get this guy back in the water. Gone. All right, let's get another one.
It was grass?
Are you? Cause it's that hot out here. I don't blame them. I'm gonna use. Guys, it really is hot Yes, it is.
It's so hot.
You may be wondering, is this dude really about to use some candy? And yes, I am. Cat's right in there. I swear, I had something. I had something. Yeah, something bit it. Oh yeah. So, they do like candy. They do like candy. Hey, now I just have to catch one on the candy. Are you okay, Miles?
It's gonna kill me. Oh, it's gonna kill me.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening with him right now. Yeah, I think he's having a moment.
Guys, you're gonna love this one.
I cast right in the grass. Here, actually, one more cast. Got one. Got one on the candy. Got one on the candy. There we go. Got one. Oh, he threw the candy. Oof. On the candy. All right, we're definitely not gonna try that again. All right, buddy. All right, let's get serious. Had a bite. Got him. There we go. Got him. There we go. Got him on the red crankbait. There we go. Get him back in the water. Good fish right there. Oof. He's gone. I keep getting splashed. It's alright though. Feels good because it's pretty hot out here. Alright, we have on a white fluke here. And yes, before you ask, I am in the same exact spot. Ooh, no!
What?
It broke off. That was a big bass, bro. No! Are you kidding me?
It's gonna be okay.
No!
It's okay.
Bro, no, I'm getting... Come on, bro. Ooh! Oh, I just had a strong bite. We're getting back in there. No, that's not where I wanted it. Come on, fishy. Oh my gosh. There we go. No, he spit it out. He hit it hard too. Bro, he bit off my tail. What the heck? Come on, bro. These bats are messing with me. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh, he's huge. There we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. All right, now I got him. Holy cow. That is an absolute donkey of a fish. Jesus. God damn. He is huge. Oh my gosh. Alright. Definitely just caught my PB right there. I don't even know what size this guy is. I need a scale. Definitely need a scale.
Oh, that is insane.
Huge. Oh yeah.
That is insane. It's
Let's
like
get
almost
him
the
back in
size
the
of your
water.
forearm.
Literally.
That is insane.
It is.
Damn!
Bro, let's get him back in the water. Alright, buddy. Let's let him go. He's gone. Oh my god.
That is crazy.
Yo. Yeah. Got one. This one feels small though. I think. There you go. Oh, he's stuck in the grass. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Got one. Oh, is this? Oh my gosh. It is a giant bluegill. A bluegill on a jig. Oh my gosh. This guy's fat. This is a nice bluegill. And he has some awesome colors. I don't even know if that's natural. I think this is my first time catching a bluegill. Oh wow. I'm stuck in something. Is this going to catch them? I don't know. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Huh. Another fish on the board. Not a big one, but not a small one. It's something. Something's always better than nothing. Is that a duck? Yeah, it is. Oh, right in front of me. Was not ready for that one. There we go. He feels good too. Oh yeah, he is. There we go.
Oh my god, I thought that was somebody in the woods. Oh shit, that scared me so bad. That is a really cool, oh my god.
Yes.
Bro. Take it to it.
Nice fish right there. Good fish right there. Boom. That's what we like to see. Oh. Ow. He's gone. Let's do a few more casts. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got one. It was a little small guy, but it's all right. Pulled him right out of the water. Buddy, relax. Another small guy. Get him back in the water. All right, I know it's kind of late right now. We have ourselves another one. He is getting tangled up. Stop, please. What are you doing, gang? Stop. Right on the side of the mouth. Another fish on the board. Nice size. Get him back in the water. And he's gone.